Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is Rebel Scoutmaster. Today we are going to install these Avon grips on the Indian Scout 60. Let me grab this and pull it a little closer. I can show you the model, the actual part number here. It's INS Air 90 ANO. These are supposed to be the ones that fit the Indian Scout 60, so let's hope that's going to be true. We'll get to it. Okay, to start with, we have to pull this grip off. I did just recently put these on there, and I'm hoping that I can save this grip and not actually have to cut it or anything like that. So I'm hoping I should be able to get it off. I think I put it on there with hairspray or something like that. Same thing for the other side, the other grip, I actually put on over the original throttle tube. So I'm hoping that should just be able to pull right off and it should be no problem. So we get some tools and we'll see if I can't get this one off on the left side, and then see what we can do. Okay, so actually what I've done is I've got a screwdriver and I put it in the end. There's a little hole at the end of the grip here. Not sure if there is on the factory Indian grips, but put it in the hole in the end of the grip and you can actually work it around like this. And it may take you a minute or two.
A few moments later.
Once you get it moving, it does tend to come off pretty easy. You just got to work with it a little while. And then there you go. Got that grip. I can save that for later if I ever need it. So I'm actually going to take and clean up this tube a little bit. See if I can get some of this glue off. I've got a razor blade, so let me see if I can get that off. So now I've just got a regular old razor blade, knife. I'm gonna try to get some of this other glue off that I never got off before. Just trying to be careful not to get up on the switch box there. I'm not too concerned about the paint there, but just as long as I've got all the glue off. Guys, I'm doing. So here is what the grip actually looks like, and it's got these three little set screws here. So once you slide it over the tube, over the end, you just tighten up the set screws and you're done for the clutch side. So let's see if it fits. And it fits. That's it. Let me grab I believe it's a 2mm Allen wrench. Not a whole lot of tightening to this. You only have to turn, so far I've only turned them about maybe one solid turn, and they're tight, so. Yeah. Okay, that's it. That is the clutch side done. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can see that or not. Over here on the throttle side, there's 4 T25 screws. You have to undo these 4. One here, 2 on the top, and then 2 on the bottom under here. Take those 4 off, and then this switch box comes loose and you can pull the tube out. So that's what we're gonna do now. Okay. All right. See if I can get y'all a little closer and show you what this looks like. Okay, so here's the switch box with the front cover off. That's what it looks like, and this should just come right out, just like that. And then you slide it off. So there's that one. And here is the new tube going on like that. And I'm trying to do this one-handed. All right, so now that this is on, you can test it there, see that that works. And you just put this back together like that and screw it back together. I don't know if you guys can see how profusely I'm sweating here because it's hot. It's been raining all day. Hopefully it will be better weather tomorrow and I can ride to work. But it's quite humid, let's put it that way. Heat index is probably like 100 right now, so. If it looks like I'm hot, it's because I'm hot. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, do all the things to get all the notifications when I upload a new video. So I'm going to do a couple of install videos. I did this install video. I'm also going to do adjusting the shocks properly on the Indian Scout 60, so that should be coming up soon. It's almost time for my next weekly commute vlog, so that'll be coming up next week. We'll talk about ongoing things and whatnot. So like I said, like, subscribe, share, hit the bell, help me out. Thanks. See you guys later.